What's up, you guys? Tron gets listed on Binance. I've done it again. I told you so. It's great news for everybody. Told you they also have a little inside track in there. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, good decision. If you're new, also good decision, but a better one. If you want to not miss out on videos like this that could potentially make you money, not investment advice, just my opinion. You're going to love my opinions. My insights have value. Hit the bell, subscribe, hit the like button. Let's get into it. We'll cover some news as well if we get a chance. But first, well, let's talk about it. Tron TRX spikes 8.5% after Binance US listing. Not bad. Not bad at all. Who was expecting this? I was. Were you? You should be. You've been watching my videos. Told you they have an inside track. Told you good things are going to happen. All right, enough. The famous Binance effect, which was one of the most bullish events for almost any cryptocurrency on the project back in 2017. And by the way, more good news. The video may have already posted. If not, it will post at some point after this one. But we got some good news happening with something else that I think is going to really blow your mind. Seriously, not clickbait at all. All right. According to the daily chart of the coin, Tron broke through one of the strongest resistances on the daily chart and reached the level that the cryptocurrency market saw back in January last time. Did they mean last year? The resistance we have mentioned before is the 200-day exponential moving average, which has not been broken or touched by TRX since the beginning of December, with the appearance of buying power and market being deeply oversold. The price of the asset quickly breached the moving average and moved further. And yes, this connects Bittorrent too, because they're one and the same, and this is great news for Bittorrent token as well. The resistance we have mentioned before, the 200-day exponential moving average, which has not been broken or touched by TRX since the beginning of December, with the appearance of buying power and market being deeply oversold, the price of the asset quickly breached the moving average and moved further. So here we have a chart. I don't do charts because they are, frankly, a dime a dozen. They're all over the internet. And I believe in, yes, charts are useful, of course. However, there's a lot more to it than just knowing how to read a chart. So that's why I don't teach how to read them or even pay that much attention to them, in case you're wondering. Now, before the listing, TRX was also moving in a sharp short-term trend since the middle of March. Prior to the listing, the asset was already up more than 24%. The movement of the altcoin from 2017 is quite similar to other projects like Cardano, Ethereum, and even Zilliqa. Such a drastic trend shift is tied to the return of risk-on tendencies on financial markets. Since digital assets are considered risky assets, traders and investors are more eager for risk exposure. Cryptocurrencies remain among the most accessible ways of increasing the risk level of the portfolio. Tron, along with other cryptocurrencies, offer various solutions for traders, investors, and cryptocurrencies in general. Let me ask you something. What's going to happen, do you think, when people that have been sitting holding Tron watch this thing moon just because it becomes so mainstreamed that the haters can't even hate anymore? They just want to jump in and they start basically fudding their way in. Well, not really fear, uncertainty, and doubt, but more FOMO because they just want in. The coin's going to go nuts, right? So Tron, along with other cryptocurrencies, offer various solutions for traders, investors, and cryptocurrency users in general. One of the most popular solutions built on the Tron network is TRX-based USDT stablecoin, which has recently celebrated 41 billion in circulation on the network. At press time, TRX trades at 7 cents with an 8% gain in the last 24 hours. Since the beginning of March, Tron added more than 30% to its value. Let's see what else is happening. Tron's sitting at almost 8 cents, right? Let's see. My internet's usually much faster than that, but yeah, that's what we're doing. Good. Oh, I'm on Wi-Fi. What else do we got? Planet of Bored Apes. Success morphs into an ecosystem. See, I believe Bittorrent because of NFTs and what's going to happen, and I'm talking about this in one of my other videos because it's basically already happened. Just like the Bored Apes have morphed into an ecosystem, so is Tron TRX going to become one. And I don't mean one that they kind of already are one. I'm talking about a very popular one where, a lot of people start to have it on their phone. The success of the Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT collection, this will happen to Tron and Bittorrent. sparked the creation of an NFT universe powered by its proprietary ApeCoin token. Non-fungible tokens NFT continue to make waves in mainstream media, with projects such as Bored Ape Yacht Club no more pertinent an example of the potential of the space. Some of the biggest names in Hollywood are proud owners of Bored Ape NFT avatars, which has no doubt driven interest in prices for Bored Ape NFTs. The success of the Bored Ape Yacht Club collection sparked the creation of an NFT ecosystem powered by its proprietary ApeCoin token, which has seen significant gains in recent weeks. Before we delve into the ApeCoin-powered universe that is coming to fruition, it's worth revisiting the Bored Ape Yacht Club and how the Ethereum-based NFT collection exploding in popularity. Dawn of the Apes. So we got BAYC as the brainchild of Yuga Labs, a Web3 marketing firm that dreamed up an exclusive NFT collection made up of 10,000 programmatically generated Bored Ape digital collectibles. Cointelegraph is my source as usual. You can check out the rest of the article there. We got Ethereum price hitting 3.2K as the anticipation builds ahead of the merge. ETH price made a clear trend change and aims for the $3,800 level after traders' anticipation of the upcoming merge lures the bulls back to the market. So we got the bulls here. Nice little graphic. The week-long uptrend in the cryptocurrency market has begun to awaken bullish crypto investors, and the successful March 15th launch of the Ethereum merge on the Kiln testnet has the community excited about the upcoming switch to proof of stake. Data from the Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView shows that since the successful launch on Kiln, the price of Ether has climbed 25% from $2,500 to a daily high of $3,193 on March 25th as traders look to lock in their positions ahead of the merge. So here's a look at what analysts in the market are saying could happen with the price of Ether as the merge approaches and how the switch to POS could affect its price long term. A clear breakout from the downtrend. So the turnaround in ETH price over the past couple of weeks was successfully addressed by crypto analyst Justin Bennett, who posted the following chart highlighting trend reversal that has occurred. Okay, obviously we know there's a trend reversal, and yes, we can definitely see it in this chart. So what else do we got? Binance becomes the official crypto exchange partner of the 64th Grammy Awards. I think maybe Justin Sun has an in, and not only are they getting listed with Tron, but Grammys, music, NFTs. Do I hear BitTorrent? Do you think maybe the dots are being connected very intelligently? I think a lot of people are going to be very, very surprised, and the haters are going to get destroyed. Don't be shorting. Hope this finds you healthy, happy. I will see you on the next video.